How to sell on Zalando. In today's video, you are going to learn how to sell on Zalando. So let's get started. You can join their partner programs. What is partner program? The partner programs give you full control when it comes to running your business on Zalando, where the dedicated partner portal Z-Direct partners retain control over the assortment, prices, and brand representation to grow their business and maximize sale on Zalando. Z-Direct allows partners to integrate their stock with Zalando's platform and smoothly onboard new articles while providing them with the necessary data to understand their performance. Partners can see how customers interact with the products and how products sell across markets and categories, allowing them to identify potential areas for improvement. In return, the resulting broad assortment and high product availability excites extends Zalando customer base. Additionally, Zalando can also help partners with marketing and fulfillment through Zalando marketing services. What are the benefits for brand and retailers? It is the easiest way to build a profitable e-commerce business. It builds customer loyalty through a dedicated Zalando on-site page. You can set your own prices, access all your analytics, business insights, peer benchmarks, and platform tooling. Zalando partner consultants are here to help you deliver the best possible customer experience, leverage industry-leading creative and media solution, as well as game-changing insights by Zalando marketing services. So what do I need to join? For partner program, by the partner program, you can fit your stock directly into the Zalando platform. As a partner, you keep control over your product range and prices. Zalando handles payment processing and customer service. You can also use additional services such as Zalando fulfillment service and various marketing options. How exactly does this integration of your product onto the Zalando work? The information of each department item must be uploaded to the online Zalando catalog to enable the flow of information from inventory and orders between Zalando customers and partners. You can create a direct API integration, create a direct connection between your inventory and Zalando's, or you can use as an integer. So, what are the selling fee on Zalando? It costs selling commission and fixed monthly charges. The selling commission on Zalando is based on the type and the price of the product being sold. It usually ranges somewhere between 5% and 25%. Speaking of the monthly fee for selling in Zalando, it's quite nominal. So here you can see on the screen what are the minimum requirements to sell on the Zalando. You must have an online store, you must have your business registered, must have products in digital under at least one of the following categories: clothing, shoes, sportswear, and equipment or accessories. Must offer free delivery and free returns with a 100 days returns policy. And that's all. That's how you will be able to sell on Zalando application.